Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play I Don't Need You on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. You'll be finger picking. You'll be using these 3 fingers. So you're going to want your pointer on the 3rd fret of the A string. The D string's open. And then ring and pinky on the 6th fret of the B and E string. And the first part's gonna sound like, right? And then after that, you're gonna go, right? So just get comfortable doing that over and over. And then you're gonna just drop the pinky and play that same shape.